Welcome to our video on setting up your Capital One credit card. Today, we'll guide you through secure activation and account management. Let's start with how to securely activate your Capital One credit card. First, visit the Capital One website. Managing your account online is essential for tracking your spending and paying your bill on time. Using the Capital One mobile app makes access to your account even easier. Here's how you navigate it. Setting up alerts for transactions helps you monitor your spending and security. Let's see how to do this. Managing your payment options and staying on top of due dates is crucial. Here's a quick guide. Capital One offers features to track your credit score. Understanding this can help you make informed decisions. If your card is lost or stolen, it's important to stay calm. Here's what to do if you find yourself in this situation. Understanding how to manage your rewards and benefits can maximize your credit card experience. In conclusion, following these best practices will help you maintain ongoing security with your Capital One account.